So hello everyone. So let's look on how to create a data frame. So to create a data frame, you just have to put a name. So let me put a name data, and then you just have to put second bracket, and within the second bracket you have to put a semicolon, or sorry, quotation, and then within that you have to have to provide name of the column or maybe levels. So let me put height. So there is height, and then you have to put the values. So the values, let me put the values 420 and 600. These are the values. And then just put, you have to put comma, and then again bracket, and let me put another level, which is weight. So in the weight there will be two value, so 50, and let make it 60. So after it will be made, you just have to run the cell. So you can see that the cell is completely successfully run. Then you can show the data. So you can just click on there, and you can see that this is our data. So our data is being printed successfully. So this is the way you can create any data frame. So if you want to add more rows, just add by just put comma and add the labels and the values. So that's all.